There have been many difficulties in the past relating to the battery and service management of the electric forklift. The many cells that make up the battery begins to show difference in performance through use, and the few battery cells that deteriorates forces the other normal battery cells around it to also deteriorate. This problem is directly related to the company's expenses. There is a revolutionary system to solve this problem. The MarooOn electronic device battery monitoring system was developed using an internationally patented technology. Through the monitoring of electronic logistics equipment such as golf carts and electronic forklifts, management is efficient and economic. The MarooOn FBMS consists of DBS, VMS, network adapter and server, allowing the users to efficiently manage the vehicle by check the voltage, electric current and power consumption using a PC or various smart devices. Firstly, it is possible to check the battery level and information of all vehicles from the main screen. Secondly, it is possible to understand the model and installation date of the electric forklift and battery for pre-maintenance. Thirdly, by analyzing the user's environment, it is possible to estimate the replacement date and lifespan of the battery using big data and artificial intelligence to show the charge cycle. Fourthly, efficient management is simple as understanding the usage time, total charge quantity, and maximum and average usage allows pre-management and a circulating arrangement of the equipment. Fifthly, it is possible to actively manage the vehicle through the voltage or low voltage alarm or distilled water shortage alarm, which are measured during service. The alarm information shows all accumulated warnings. Sixthly, managing the charge date is simple as it is organized in a calendar form. Seventhly, it is possible to check if there is a deteriorated battery among the many different batteries by measuring the lowest voltage during service. Eighthly, it is possible to manage usage time and create a circulating arrangement of the vehicles through daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly statistics of data collected and analyzed every 15 minutes for 24 hours. The MarooOn FBMS aids the effective management of batteries and efficient management of electric forklift services online, allowing users anywhere around the world. The FBMS of MarooOn. It is the first steps of an economic electric forklift management.